what affiliate marketing is and how it works. In this short video, I'll be explaining to you what affiliate marketing is and how you can get started, even if it's your first time of starting affiliate marketing or starting an online business. I'm Joe Thompson from Extra Passive Online. If this is your first time coming across this channel and you want to learn about affiliate marketing from somebody who is doing it, not screenshot, I'll be taking you from step A to step Z, point to point, what you want to learn. If you want to really go deep in about learning affiliate marketing, the strategies, the courses, the tools you need, the information you need, how to become a real marketer, you may want to subscribe to this channel, because I won't hold anything back as I start making these videos. This is my old channel. I just want to use it again. I have other business I'm running, but I just want to go deep using this channel to be teaching affiliate marketing. Like I said, my name is Joe Thompson. I'm from West Africa, Nigeria. I live in Japan. I'm married with a kid right now. I've been doing affiliate marketing for 4 years right now. The first time I started affiliate marketing, it was difficult because I bought so many courses. I bought so many crappy shit about what people say about affiliate marketing. At the end, I failed for 2 years. I done e-commerce, I done blogging, I did so many things. But the cool and the good news is, the easiest part of doing online marketing is doing affiliate marketing, because you don't have to have employees. If you want, I don't know, you don't have to pick up the phone to answer calls for people who are asking more questions. You don't have to do that. The only thing you have to do is to refer people to a product, and when they buy, the merchant will pay you as a commission, because you are just there as an affiliate, or the vendor will pay you. So on a note here, if you go to, if I should refer you to Amazon, if I should refer you, let's say, let me put it this way: if you go to Amazon right now, Amazon.com, and you want to buy this product, then you don't know you don't know what this product is all about. And if I have a video or I have a channel where I talk about this product, and this product now catches your eye, and you feel, oh, this product can solve one of my problems, and you buy this product from the link I showed to you, the creator of this product, like Amazon, will now send me a commission based on I'm the one that refer customer to them. That is called affiliate marketing. And there are so many ways you can do affiliate marketing. You can do affiliate marketing through digital product. You can do it through physical product, and you can even do it through referring people to the cheapest airline on the cheapest airline, or the cheapest resort for vacation. If the site or if the product have a affiliate program, just go on there and sign up. Once you refer somebody to them, they make a sale, they give you commission. I will be taking you step to step the best affiliate network where you can go and get product to sell, and the niches that can be profitable. I mean, the niche that when you go into today, you start seeing result. Like I said, this is the definition of affiliate marketing. And checklist before you begin. Listen, if it's your first time, a beginner, what you really want to know about affiliate marketing, don't just quit your job because you watch so many bunch of videos on YouTube, and they say quit your job, go into affiliate marketing and start making thousands of US dollars tomorrow. No, I failed for 2 years, and this time around I was buying courses online. I bought so many crappy courses. Some of them, when you implement what they teach you, you are getting zero result. I bought so many crappy courses until I started to find out the realistic. Why am I doing this? What is my code? Why am I doing affiliate marketing? What am I expecting? So you need to know from my check, from the list that you are seeing on the screen right now, you need to realistic expectation, what you expect, some sort of website which you need, some sort of skills in the game, what you need in this game, some stroke like ups and down, trusted affiliate network where you go, and they will approve you. You take their product, you do a YouTube video, you recommend people, when they buy, they pay your commission. I'm going to show you the trusted ones, and your time, you need to have at least 1 hour or 2 hours a day to do this. That takes us to the next step. Which are the best niches and products to promote as an affiliate? For me, I have tried so many, but the ones that are on top, that is paying people, the one that you can make much money as you are making them on long run, every, like we call it passive income. That is the reason why my website is called Extra Passive Online. Is make money online, health and fitness, and self-help or spiritual. These 3 niches, if you go to clickbank.com, I'll show you what ClickBank is. It's an affiliate network. When you go there, they have all these digital products whereby you can just pick one of these in the categories. Just like when you go to Amazon.com, and you go to, let's say, you go to, what did you say? You go to like health and household. So many places you go to Amazon. When it brings you that, you know, like, see different categories, what you want about, like what you want to promote. This is another affiliate network that you can go and promote physical product. Everybody go to Amazon every day, including me. Today I just ordered a microphone with a Bluetooth on Amazon. So the person that put that microphone on Amazon right now, if they sell it, I buy through their link. They have their commission already. I need it. That is why I buy. So that is affiliate marketing on a nutshell. And the tools you need to start affiliate marketing. Listen, there are some real free tools online. That is why I say you need to subscribe to this channel, because I will be giving you all the whole nugget that you need about affiliate marketing. The paid tools, the free tools, free courses, everything you need. I'll be delivering them on this channel. So you may have to stay tuned to the end of this video, because I'm going to give you guys a good step, like a course that when you implement today, within 3 days you start to see results about affiliate marketing. You start to make money. So what you need is a funnel builder. I will show you guys the ones the one I'm using right now, which is, I will show you a real life example. You need autoresponder, where you collect emails, because email is the key. Email is the key. You have to remarket to these people. Then you have to have like a Gmail to sign up in all this affiliate network. You have to have a Gmail. Everybody has Gmail. Before, if you have a phone, you have a Gmail to log into Google. So you have a Gmail already. So these are just the tools you need. Only these 3 is what you need. Forget what they tell you. Buy these two, buy these two, buy these two. Even as I'm making this video, I don't have a personal external webcam. I'm only using my desktop, my laptop camera, of which if I need, I'll order another camera. But for now, this is what I need. So when you have email that funnel builder, this is what they call funnel. You have a squeeze page where you send people to. That is the reason why we have funnel builder. When you send people to a squeeze page like this, and they opt in, you take them to a bridge page. You take them to the affiliate program, what they really opt in for, why they are in your website, why they are in your video. So you have to take them from step 1, step 2, step 3, until the last step. You offer them what they need. That is affiliate marketing. Then the owner of the product will not send you a commission. Very easy. You don't have to answer call. You don't have to answer the if there's any refund or anything. No. So that's on that. We talk about email autoresponder, right? We talk about email autoresponder here. So here, you see this diagram. This is called email follow-up. So when you build a squeeze page with funnel builder, I will show you guys the ones I use. The one I use, which is the best, and it's very cheap. They host everything for you. When you use an funnel builder to build a squeeze page, how you build a squeeze? Don't worry, I will take you guys step by step. How you build a squeeze page? You collect their email, which they landed on your box here. Then you cannot be able to market for them at long run another product of which you feel like it's relevant to what they opting for in your speech page. So lastly, when you start have all these things set up, you now need traffic. Where do I get people to buy this thing? Where do I get people to that I recommend for this product? Where do I get people? First of all, you can get traffic everywhere. Facebook, Instagram, Quora, YouTube. You can buy solo. You can go to Google. How many times have you opened your phone and Google the fastest car in the world? Is there in Google? Where can I have the best sunglasses? Is there in Google? Where can I buy? So Google is #1 search engine in the world. After Google is YouTube. So if you can put your video on YouTube now, right now, as I'm doing, and ask people that, oh, this product is very nice, you solve their problem, they are likely to click on your link to buy that product. And when they click on your link and buy that product, you have the commission as an affiliate. That is how affiliate marketing works. So next is let me show you guys on my system how I build this website on a real demo. So this is the system I use. This is the funnel builder I use, called System.io, and this is the funnel I built for a friend of mine. This funnel let me stream myself here. This is the funnel I built for a friend of mine. Just a sample funnel, but it's on health and fitness niche. When I say this funnel, I say how to cure back pain at home in 4 easy steps. So you give them proof. This is just a funnel. When people read this thing, they go through this thing, and at the end they say causes of. It's just like taking them from point A. Why is the reason they come to this page? What is the reason they see my video? So you take them, you make them understand, you make them feel, oh, this thing can cause something like this. All this you can go to Google and Google all this image and put it on your website. Then finally, at the end, you now give them call to action. Click here to watch now. So the last headline on this website said, watch the free video presentation. You see, when they click this video now, it now prompt them to put on their email address. That is where you need that autoresponder. And this system I'm using now, this funnel builder I'm using now, it has inbuilt autoresponder. Not like ClickFunnels where you have to pay for extra autoresponder. You have to pay everything on ClickFunnels. This one is just like, I don't know, it's free for now. It's free. I will leave a link on this description. You can get it, customize it yourself. Then very soon I will be building funnels online. So when they put their email address here, you will be able to market for them along long run again another product. That is the reason why I use System.io. Lastly, where am I now? So your task now as a viewer, if you can help me to share this video because you help the algorithm, leave a thumbs up for me. If you understand that, if you get this thing clear. If you don't get it clear, go back and rewatch it. Know the fundamental reason, the rules, what you need, and how to start affiliate marketing. Because if you get all these things clear in your head, it's very easy for you to go to any network like clickbank.com. Let's go to clickbank.com. Clickbank.com. Yeah, Clickbank. Let me use one of my old account. This Clickbank is a network, a network site whereby you just Let me just log in. This is one of my old account. I don't use this anymore, but this is just for demo. I don't use it anymore. When I was learning everything about affiliate marketing is when I opened this Clickbank. So, but my real account is on the other side. I don't show people because first of all, showing most of all these gurus you see on internet. So when you are in Clickbank, you come to this place. You call Marketplace. You click here. When you click here, he will now prompt you to where you have so many digital courses. that you can sell, you can market. So right